So this question shows two pictures of a technician trying to loosen the nut with a spanner, and they ask you to explain why the spanner should be held further from the nut. Well, if you look at this picture, the distance between the pivot and where you are holding it to apply the force, so this is the D. So obviously this picture, the D is larger, and maybe I just make the picture bigger. So as you can see, this is the D. All right, the D is larger, and so again, because the question asks you to explain, so I must support my answer with a formula. So I first of all state that moments is force times distance. Then I go on to say that when you hold it further away from the nut, then this D is larger. So when you have a larger D, you do not need a very large force, and you will be able to still create the moments that is needed to loosen the nut. Because how much moment is needed to loosen the nut is actually fixed. So with a larger D, you only need a smaller force. So hence a smaller force is needed, and that will be much easier for the technician because you only need to apply a small force to produce the moments that's needed to loosen, to produce the moment that's needed to loosen the nut.